So the first thing we're going to do is make a rosemary and ginger mule. I think the biggest key to having a great zero-proof cocktail is to have the right glassware. And I think a nice copper mug kind of gives you that sense that you're drinking something reminiscent of a mule. So we're just going to start with our spirit. We have Seedlip 94. Now Seedlip is a distilled, non-alcoholic botanical. It's got 0 sugar, 0 calories, and of course 0 alcohol. Shot of that. And then we have this house-made rosemary and ginger simple syrup. And what we did was we infused the ginger, and then we boiled rosemary to make a nice sweet, but not too sweet, simple syrup. So a little bit of that rosemary simple syrup going in there. And then drop in our dry ginger soda. And it's just a great drink after work, after a long Friday at the office. Give it a nice stir and garnish with a fresh rosemary sprig.